We begin at 5 o'clock with immigration. It was a hot topic this election, with some in the community concerned about how the recent rhetoric can impact them and their families.
Hearing about threats of mass deportations for undocumented immigrants and rumors online have caused anxiety among many in the immigrant community.
13 on Your Side's Jeremiah Brown spoke with local immigration attorneys who say they have been answering questions, many of them since Election Day.
That's right. Today I spoke with Lighthouse Immigrant Advocates in Holland, who tell me they have been receiving many calls from families with mixed legal statuses, along with lawfully permanent residents and naturalized citizens.
Really tough. There's a lot of rumors floating around right now about what could happen, and our office is looking at what is possible versus what's just rumor and threat.
Lighthouse Immigrant Advocates in Holland says their hotline has been receiving more than a dozen calls each of its active days.
People asking if they might be eligible for a particular remedy if they're undocumented. Had a lot of calls from people who are permanent residents and worried about how these changes are going to impact them, whether they should become citizens. Even had calls from naturalized U.S. citizens who are worried about their status as well.
They have also been receiving calls from schools and businesses concerned for students and employees, and even foster parents concerned for the children they care for.
What we're advising our clients to do, especially with mixed status households where one member might be undocumented and there is a risk that that person could be deported, we're asking them to put together emergency plans, which include doing a power of attorney for children, powers of attorney for finances.
Sarah Yor Van Esterhout is also concerned that U.S. citizens and lawful residents could find themselves caught in any mass raids.
And it's because of language proficiency. It's because we're not actually checking documents.
Attorney Bill Trineri has been taking calls from many concerned green card and visa holders, even though they have full legal status.
There are other processes that they might be looking at, like green card holders certainly would be considering citizenship in many cases. Visa holders, if they're on some sort of visa that could be transferred to a green card or renewed.
He says talk of taking away citizenship is far-fetched, citing the U.S. Constitution.
The processing time for cases, for renewal of DACA, that sort of thing, I would expect that to go up, and that's going to affect people's lives. As much as you can, talk to somebody who knows what they're doing. Speak with an attorney if you can. Don't take your advice from fear-based social media, and then rationally have a plan. You'll feel better if you do.
More information on Lighthouse Immigrant Advocates and their free immigration services hotline can be found in the story, which will be published later this evening. In the newsroom, Jeremiah Brown, 13 on Your Side.